Hey everybody, and welcome back. So today I've got a whole bunch of people coming out to my hangar, and what we're doing is we're going to be tearing down Corvair engines, getting them ready to become other people's new Corvair motors for their aircraft. So let's get to it. It's going to be a 2-day event. I'm just kind of setting up right now, so as soon as everybody gets here, we're going to get this thing started.
Come in, traffic. Come in, all 8 limited.
So day 2 of this crazy adventure, we got a bunch of guys out here. We've torn down one of the motors. We're starting to tear down 2 more. So it's been a pretty good productive day so far, and I took a couple of guys flying this morning, so that's why I got the plane out. But let's get to work and let's get more of these motors to new homes. So Jeff, first time wrenching on an engine?
Yeah, first time wrenching on any kind of engine. I can count the number of times I've changed my own oil on half a hand.
Nice.
I've actually, not my first time wrenching on the engine, but my other engines never get bigger than that.
Oh, okay.
I have a 90, my biggest, 0.9.
All right.
Single cylinder cubic.
Milliliter?
He knows them inside.
I'll bet he does.
Those I know.
Little glow plug on the top?
Little glow plug on the top.
Yeah, this is the hole. This is the main hole right there. This is the hole for the other
And
one.
there's a linear line all the way through that?
The hole goes all the way through there. It's in line with all the lifters. Yeah, we're right.
Told these guys already, the biggest engine I've worked on is a 0.9 cubic inch 2-stroke motor from engine. So
Yeah, so what you're saying is you're a virgin, but when they're done, you'll be an expert.
Day 2 in the books. We're gonna go get something to eat, and it's been a great time. We got 3 motors put together, so if you need guys ready, put a Corvair together. But until then, we'll see you next time.